should put signs and stuff here if that's going to be the case. Oh, I don't know why he's
dinner and a movie. Pretty cool. First I'm going to have, hold on Lydia. First I'm going to have some pizza left over from Papa Smurf. Forgot his slice of pizza. So I'm having that. Lydia, hold on. I'm having this now. And then I'm going to have maybe some eggs and cheese because I'm hungry. Lydia, hold on, Lydia. Hold on. Excuse me. Had dinner, had some yogurt, watched some videos. That thing is drying, ready to go. It has to dry a couple more hours. I'm still uploading my video. I'm almost done, and now it's raining. But it's all good. As soon as this uploads, I'm out of here, trying to find a Planet Fitness, take a shower, and then tomorrow back to work. Much better. Big day today, as you can tell. I got my flapjacks and my Timmies. It's all good. First day back. I wonder if I can still run these machines. I should be able to. I mean, what could go wrong? No big deal. I need a shower. The day went by pretty quick. I was able to run the machines. I'm a little dirty. That's why I need a shower. But other than that, see if I can get out of here. Not bad. Had a nice shower. Now it's dinner time. Soon I'm going to do some shopping and I'm going to eat only what I have in a van. I've done this before. I'm going to do it again. But this time I'll be cooking my own bread. I'll be doing a whole lot of different stuff. But that's coming up. Until then, I'm going to have myself some Panda Express. Trying to eat this. Are you supposed to break these apart? Okay, I think you're supposed to break these apart. Okay. It's been a while since I've eaten with chopsticks. Chopsticks, right? Chopsticks. Is it chopsticks? Yes, chopsticks. I used to know how to eat with these things. Anyway. Alright, ready? Don't laugh. I used to know how to eat with these. Darn it. There's a technique. There's a technique to this thing. It's been many years since I've eaten with chopsticks. I'm gonna go hungry. This food's gonna go cold before I'm done. Oh, hold on. All right. 1 second. There you go. I knew I hadn't forgotten how to eat with chopsticks. I'm sorry. I used to know how to eat with this thing. Hold on, how do you do this? Okay. Okay, I know this one stays stationary, and then this one. That I will get this. Okay, is it? Okay, maybe it's like this. There you go. Okay, it's not like that. I'm mastering. Oh, here we go, like this. There you go, like that. I got it now. Look at that. Ooh. I knew it was something like this. Look. This is fine and dandy. If I was lost somewhere and I didn't have utensils, I could cut 2 sticks and I could fortunately this was invented, and this was invented for a purpose and for a reason, because this is better than that. Sorry, I am sorry if you're watching this eating with your chopsticks. I'm sure that you are much better than me at it, but this is faster, this is better. You have to admit, just like a car is faster than a horse and buggy. I know. Faster doesn't always mean better. True. But you have to admit, a fork was invented, and look how much it can carry. Look, I can pick this up with no effort. And now I just need a drink. Alright, let me finish my dinner. Thanks for laughing with me, or at me. But now it's dinner time. Ooh. Shh. I'm going to drive back to a spot that I used to park at. And I parked here for like, I don't know, over a year. Every day, almost every day I parked over here. But I haven't been here now for a while. So I don't know. Oh, and now I have a different license plate. When I was here, I used to have a Pennsylvania license plate. Now I have a South Dakota license plate. So I'm wondering, how long will I be able to stay here without being told, hey buddy, you gotta leave. That's the worst that can happen. You gotta leave, or maybe worse will happen. Uneventful night. Very good. Still sleepy. I put some eye drops in my eyes, and now I woke up and my eyes were all like blurry. I couldn't see anything. I'm like, what the heck? I need to do my breakfast before I go to work. But first, I need one of these. Do not fret because of evildoers. Be not envious towards wrongdoers. For they will wither quickly like the grass and fade like the green herb. Trust in the Lord and do good. Dwell in the land and cultivate faithfulness. Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Psalms 37, 1-4.